Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the Supreme Permanent Water Heater Bypass Kit. When winterizing your RV, antifreeze needs to flow through both the cold and hot water lines to prevent them from getting damaged during the winter. However, in order to reach the hot water lines, the antifreeze would first need to fill up the water heater, which can take up to 10 gallons of antifreeze, depending on the size of your water heater. This wastes a lot of time and money spent on antifreeze. The Supreme Permanent Water Heater Bypass Kit allows you to bypass the water heater and pump antifreeze directly into the hot water lines. The kit includes a nylon-reinforced hose that's kink resistant, 2 3-way brass valves, and Teflon tape. To install, shut off your heat supply to your water heater, whether it be gas or electric. Next, shut off your cold water supply connection to your RV. Open any hot water faucet for a vacuum break. Remove the water heater drain plug and pull the T&P drain valve lever to drain the tank completely. Disconnect existing cold and hot water lines at the point where they enter the water heater. You can label them with tape or marker for reconnection later. Next, clean the exposed threaded holes. Apply 3 to 5 turns of Teflon tape clockwise to male pipe threads at port A on both 3-way valves. Screw port A of each valve into the cold and hot water connections. Hand tighten as much as possible, then use a wrench to tighten an additional turn so that both B ports are facing each other. Connect the bypass hose between the valves and then reconnect the hot and cold water lines. Close the T&P drain valve, reinstall the drain plug, and turn both valves into the open position. Next, check for proper installation. Water should fill the water heater with both valves in the open position, and water should bypass the water heater with both valves in the bypass position. Once you're sure the bypass kit has been properly installed and there is no leakage, turn the valves back to the open position until you're ready to winterize. Allow all trapped air to escape from the open hot water faucet until water has constant flow. Then close the hot faucet. And with that, you're done. If you don't have a Supreme Permanent Water Heater Bypass Kit from Camco, you should get one today.
Camco.net.